Hi and welcome back to Lady Tradie. Today I am showing you how to make a really unwelcoming patio into a beautiful outdoor room. When I first moved in here, it had a lovely hedge all the way around, but a very narrow veranda. Now I love living and playing outdoors with my kids, so I needed this space to be bigger, and there was only one way to do that. The hedge here had to go. So I widened the veranda by about 2 meters if I removed this hedge. So I got to digging out the trees, I cut them back and I replanted them somewhere else. Then we went to digging out all of this excess dirt and cutting back the garden edge and removing that for recycling elsewhere as well. I also needed to get rid of this heavy old water feature and get a concreter in to extend this veranda. Now this was done, I was ready to make this an outdoor space to enjoy. The key to this is hiding that fence. I know the hedges were beautiful, but they took up floor space that I wasn't willing to lose. Hanging pots bring back greenery without eating into this floor space. You can make this as uniform or as unique as you like. I like plants that will hang down and droop as they grow, so things like ivy and even some succulents are really good to use for this. I also like to use some beautiful ferns and add some seasonal flowers which I can alternate throughout the year and keep it looking interesting and green and bright and beautiful. Anything unique that draws your attention away from that fence is going to look beautiful here. Now I want to use this space all year round, whatever the weather is, so I got myself a second-hand awning which winds up or down and had some friends help me install it. Now my space is ready. I love to enjoy it, and as time goes by, these plants will become more established and the area will grow even more beautiful in the years to come. I hope this has given you some inspiration to do something interesting, unique, and fun in your outdoor space at your home as well.